Alright, we're back for part 2 of playing whatever the fuck this game is, Orion Prelude.
Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back.
Forever.
What are we on? Around 10. Try to kill this T-Rex Stegosaurus and whatever the fuck it is.
Fuck him up.
Try to fuck him up like Harambe. Cover me, I'm gonna go for the Stegosaurus.
Holy shit.
Got him.
They're like not doing anything against us right now.
Thank you. Got him. Am I getting attacked from above?
Yep. One just swoop down on you.
Okay. I'm just trying to capture the objective.
Thank you.
Yep. Cool.
I can't see him in the sun. Oh, nice, Cap.
Is that what we got? I want one.
Yeah, you can have this one.
No, you're good, you're good. You don't have to land.
No. For reals.
Oh shit, I think another one just spawned. How do I go up?
That was expensive.
How do I go down?
I don't know how to go up or down.
Oh,
Probably with your mouse.
no, spacebar is go up, and then C is go down.
Thank you.
Protect our base.
Oh!
These things don't do a lot of damage, though.
Oh, it's doing a shit ton of damage.
Really?
Oh yeah, use the bombs.
How do you use the bombs? Right click?
The other button. God damn it, these things are kicking my ass.
That helicopter flyover was pretty badass, to be honest.
Stegosaurus, the only one left.
I need backup. Dinosaurs remain.
Help.
Affirmative.
Where you at?
Underneath you.
I'm here. Oh shit!
Oh,
Stop moving!
I upped myself by killing the thing that was
Oh,
attacking.
okay.
3 dinosaurs remain.
I can't go back up there.
2 dinosaurs remain.
Oh, there it is. That's quick.
Last dinosaur.
Yay!
We won!
Is that it?
We won.
We win.
We win! Yay!
Easy.
Yeah. But hey, We won.
Yeah.
Well, part 2's a lot shorter than part 1, guys, but hey. Thanks for watching.
Have a good one.
Bye.